Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all of your user codes from the Kwikset Smart Code 917 lock in 2026. So if you have moved into a new home, if you want to remove the old access codes, or you simply want a fresh start before adding the new users, this process is going to erase every programmed user code from the lock. So to begin with, what you need to do is you need to simply remove the interior cover if necessary, and inside it you just have to simply locate the programming button. Now if your lock uses the programming code, you need to also enter the code and then you need to press the quick set button. If no programming code is enabled, you just have to simply press and release the program button. So this way the lock should beep and it will also flash green to indicate that it is ready for programming. Now once that is done, you just have to simply press 4 on the keypad, and this way you are going to hear a short beep and you will see the keypad flash green. So this is going to tell the lock that you want to remove all the stored user codes rather than deleting them one at a time. So now after pressing 4, what you need to do is you need to simply press this particular quick set button. After pressing the quick set button, now from here the process will be very important for you. You need to simply start entering 9, that too 6 times. So basically it should be 9 9 9 9 9 and 9. So after pressing this, you just have to simply press the quick set button again, and then you just have to repeat this particular process. Like you need to press 9 6 times and then you just have to simply press the quick set button one more time. So if the procedure is successful, you are going to hear a long beep this time, and the keypad is also going to flash green, and this is going to be the indication that you have successfully removed all the user codes from the lock. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.